And starting today, India can hunt drones while moving, not just defend from static posts. Welcome back to Front Page. Good evening. Well, India's video first AI and tech newsroom, but I'm pretty sure you already know that. It's always nice to keep saying it. Tonight, India has crossed a major milestone in national security technology. For the first time ever, the country has a fully mobile AI-enabled anti-drone patrol vehicle built not by a defense PSU but by a deep tech startup from Hyderabad. It's called the Indrajal Ranger. And starting today, India can hunt drones while moving, not just defend from static posts. Let's try to break this down and why this matters. But before we do that, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So, drones are no longer toys or surveillance tools. They've become the preferred weapon for cross-border weapon drops. 3 lakh crore rupees narcotics trafficking, smuggling networks, recon missions, terror infiltration routes just this year. The BSF intercepted 255 Pakistani drones, a number growing 300 to 400% year on year. And in one ISI-linked incident, weapons were dropped deep inside Indian territory, proving that static defense systems simply aren't enough. India needed a fast response mobile counter-drone system, and today it finally has one, and we are very proud to bring this to you at Front Page. The Ranger is a combat vehicle built from scratch from a very single purpose: detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones while in motion. The key capabilities: 10-kilometer detection radius, autonomous interception. The system engages automatically when a drone enters the threat zone. Cyber takeover plus jamming plus spoofing. 4-kilometer neutralization window. Interceptor drone for chase, tracking, and crash missions. Night operations with high intensity searchlights to recover downed drones. This is powered by Sky OS, Indrajal's proprietary AI autonomy engine. A C5 ISRT framework that fuses sensors, radar, vision, threat modeling, and autonomous engagement. This technology is already protecting airports, refineries, military zones, and high-value hubs. Now, it's going mobile. Traditional anti-drone systems work only when stationary. Perfect for bases, terrible for dynamic threats. The Ranger flips the model. It can protect border roads, river canals, agricultural belts, dense urban corridors, oil and gas pipelines, coastal approaches, power plants, airport parameters. This is truly patrolling as defense, not defense from a fixed post. The CEO of Indrajal put it very clearly, and here is what he said. If drones are going to be everywhere, this vehicle will become as common as a police jeep, end quote. And you know what? He is right. With India pushing passenger drones, logistics drones, and commercial drone fleets, the real challenge isn't seeing drones. It's actually knowing which ones are dangerous. A very crucial detail. The Ranger is supervised autonomy, which means a driver controls the vehicle, an operator controls the system, AI controls the engagement. So, if a drone enters the 4-kilometer kill zone, the system automatically begins takeover or neutralization. The operator can pause via a red override button, but interception is largely autonomous. This is AI where it matters: precise, supervised, high stakes decision making. So the point is, Why does India need this and right now? Well, two recent incidents changed the urgency levels. ISI-linked drone networks smuggled weapons deep into India. Pakistani drones delivering narcotics, the backbone of the 3 lakh crore plus drug trade. These drones finance terror groups, destabilize border villages, and fuel criminal gang networks. Every drone intercepted is a weapon blocked, a drug route broken, a terror cell undercut, a child, a farmer, a soldier protected. So, as Lieutenant General Devendra Pratap Pandey, retired, said at the launch, these are not machines, they are shields protecting our children, our farmers, and our future. End quote. Wonderfully said, sir. The Ranger does more than just shoot down drones. It directly attacks the financial pipelines of narco networks, illegal arms syndicates, cross-border terror modules, and this weakens recruitment networks, disrupts logistics, and restores, more importantly, dignity and safety to border communities who live under constant drone threats. This is national security and nation building. Based in Hyderabad, Indrajal is a deep tech startup built on 10 years of research and development, AI/robotics, autonomy, Indigenous, sensors, Indigenous interception tech, and they already have ARDTC certification for counter-UAS systems, extremely rare for a private startup. And their technology is operational, mind you, not experimental. The Ranger is deployment ready. And now comes, in conclusion, the front page take. India built the Indrajal Ranger because of what almost happened. Just a few weeks ago, we reported here on front page that India narrowly stopped a Hamas-style coordinated drone and rocket attack on 32 national landmarks in Delhi. Weaponized drones, pneumatic launch rockets, gliding projectiles, the exact tactics used on 7th of October. And it was actually only stopped because investigators arrested the right people at the right time. The Red Fort blast, as we all know by now, was Plan B. Plan A was drones, a future of cheap gliding rockets, payload drones, and autonomous projectiles entering our cities was actually just days away. That is the world that Indrajal Ranger is entering today. This is clearly India's answer to a new kind of warfare. Low cost, high tech, hard to intercept, and designed to overwhelm urban security. With the Ranger, India now has mobile interception, not just fixed posts, autonomous threat engagement powered by AI, 10-kilometer detection, and 4-kilometer neutralization in real time. Interceptor drones for pursuit and crash missions, a very domestic system designed for border belts, dense cities, canals, farmland, ports, airports. This is a shield built for the world we live in right now, not the world of 10 years ago. Because terrorism has changed, it now uses high-skill urban recruits, cheap commercial drones, improvised rockets, encrypted communications, decentralized networks, and India is responding with AI-powered surveillance grids, indigenous counter-UAS tech, quantum communication trials, space-based intelligence mobile, car-to-sky defense systems, like the Ranger, where code matters as much as courage, where intelligence matters as much as infantry, where speed matters as much as firepower. The Indrajal Ranger is the beginning of India's new frontline. It protects border villages, guards our youth against drug pipelines, and shuts down the machinery of smuggling, arms routes, and terror financing. And it tells the world something simple but very powerful. When terror evolves, India evolves faster. Please let us know What do you think in the comments below? Please like, share, and subscribe. Takes you only a second. But you know what it does? It keeps us independent. India First tech-driven journalism is alive and kicking. Episode after episode, border after border, breakthrough after breakthrough. Needless to say, this is Front Page by AIM Network.